Press the end of your index finger and thumb together. It doesn't matter which hand you use, but you should only be using one hand. It may be easier to use your dominant hand. Your index finger and thumb should be making a ring shape. Open your mouth and stretch your lips over your teeth. You want your teeth to be completely covered. Your lips should be curled into your mouth. Move your tongue back in your mouth. Curl your tongue up so the end is pointing toward the roof of your mouth. Then, move it back in your mouth so the space in the front of your mouth is open. Put your index finger and thumb in your mouth. Push your fingers into your mouth until they touch your tongue. The ring shape between your fingers should be horizontal now. Take a deep breath and close your mouth around your fingers. Keep your lips stretched over your teeth. The only gap between your lips should be the space between your fingers. That's where the air will come out when you whistle. Blow air through your fingers and out of your mouth. Blow out forcefully, but not so much that it hurts. Don't worry if you don't make a whistling sound at first. It may take some practice before you're able to whistle with your fingers. If you don't make a whistling sound, take in another deep breath. Make a shape with both hands using your index and middle fingers. Extend your index and middle finger on each hand. Turn your hands so your palms are facing you. Then, touch the tips of your middle fingers together so they form a shape. Keep your ring and pinky fingers bent down. Open your mouth and stretch your lips over your teeth. You want your teeth to be completely covered. Your lips should be curled into your mouth. Put the ends of your index and middle fingers in your mouth. Your palms should be facing you. Make sure you're still holding your fingers in a shape from before when you put them in your mouth. Use your fingers to push your tongue to the back of your mouth. Lift your tongue up so the end is pointing up at the roof of your mouth. Then, push on the underside of your tongue with the ends of your index and middle fingers. Keep pushing your tongue until it's as far back as it will go in your mouth. Close your mouth around your fingers. Your mouth should be completely sealed. You want the space between your fingers to be the only gap that air can escape from. That's how you'll be able to make the whistling sound. Blow air out through your fingers and lips. Your exhale should be forceful, but don't blow so hard that you hurt yourself. You may not hear a whistling sound the first few times you try it. After each attempt, take in another deep breath and reseal your lips around your fingers. Keep trying and you'll eventually make a whistling sound.